Yeah, so most people, you hold the steering wrong, because one has to realize that the first thing is that the steering wheel, this area is a big warning sign, because this is the airbag, and in case something happens, this is going to come at immense speed at your face. So the minute you cross your hands or you do this, that's absolutely the wrong way to do it, because if by misfortune the airbag deploys, you're going to either break your hand or your face. So never cross your hands over this area. That's also a good reason why you should never drive with your hand on the trying to press the horn. Anyway, you shouldn't be pressing the horn at all. It's a stupid thing. But yeah, this could also lead to a lot of injuries in that sense. The other more common mistake that people do is they feel they need only one hand to drive. What is this? It's stupidity. God has given you two hands, use your two hands. And then now the question is where to place those two hands. Now there are multiple opinions on this. You could place it either 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, or 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock, or if you're on a leisurely cruise, then you could have it somewhere here, that's 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock or something. But try not to cross over, because the minute you're crossing over, you are over the airbag, and the coordination that you will have with each hand in a different circle will be so much better. The feedback that you will get when the distance between your hands is the maximum, that is here, the feedback that you will get will be of a much better quality and magnitude than when you are closer. So that covers most of the points. The other aspect is, don't hold the steering wheel. Now we generally shuffle, right? So you want to slide your hand over the wheel at all times, and although most vehicles will have an auto return, especially when you're off-roading and all, it's best not to depend on that auto return to guide you, because when that steering is coming on its auto return and then suddenly you grab it, your car is going to get upsetted. So both while steering and while coming back to center, it's always useful to move like this. So one is you shuffle your hand, and the second is you move both your hands. But when you're moving both your hands, there's a limit to how much you can go, and again you don't want to get into this position. So you kind of start with both your hands and then you shuffle. Second is, don't grab the wheel. The wheel is not running away, and you don't have to hold it like this. And this will also make your shuffle slower. So once you're grabbing the wheel like this motion is more. So when you're grabbing the wheel like this motion is more difficult. So don't grab, and don't put your thumb inside the wheel, especially during off-roading and all. Sometimes your wheel can spin a lot, and if your thumb is going to get caught here, you probably could end up with a injury, and this is quite useful. So hold the steering wheel properly and enjoy your drive. Ciao, bye.